Good morning students, I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you about exponents, chapter number 5, exponents and exponential form, even exponents, odd exponents. Why do we use these exponents? As you know, the weight of sun is 2. The weight of sun, when we write, it is a very big number, okay? That is very difficult to read it and write it also. And to write the large numbers, we use short form, that is exponents. We write in exponential form. Then let's start here. Exponent. What is exponent? The number n of times p is multiplied is known as exponent. Suppose p into p up to n times. It can be written as p raised to power n. Raised to power n. P is called, this is exponential form. P raised to power n. This is what? Exponential form. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Exponential form. क्या बोलते हैं? Exponential form. When p is multiplied p into n up to n times, then we write it as p raised to power n. P raised to power n is called the exponential form. Here p, this is base. P is called base. P is base and n is exponent. N is exponent or index. We call it index. इसको हम index भी बोलते हैं. The power, that is exponent or index. We read it as p raised to power n. P raised to power n, p is base and n is exponent or index. Okay. Suppose 2 is written here. 2 is written. Suppose 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times it is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is base. 2 is written 5 times. Then we call it, we will read it as 2 raised to power 5. This is the exponential form. Okay. Where p is a rational number and n is positive integer. P is a rational number and n is a positive integer here. Then the repeated multiplication of p by itself can be represented in exponential form. We can say the multiplication of p by itself, it can be represented in exponential form by p raised to power n. Then how to express a given number in exponential form? How to express a given number in exponential form? How do we express? The number is 4. Exponential form for number is this. Write 3450 in exponential form. Exponential form. Okay? Exponential form. Find its prime factorization here. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 40, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. Then again divide by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, even number. Again by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 40. Then this is divisible by 3, 3 9 ja 27. Again by 3, 3 3 ja 9. Again 3 1, 3 1 ja 3. Now this can be written as 3. This can be written as 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is here. How many times? 7 times. Here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, 2. Multiplied by then 3 is 3 times. 3 is in how many times? 3 times. Now 2 is written how many? Is multiplied by how many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 2 is taken as base and number of times is taken as exponent or index. multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. Then the exponential form of 3456 is 2 raised to power 7 into 3 raised to power 3. In this way we write any number in exponential form in this way by finding the prime factorization method. Then we what are even exponents? Even exponents, okay? Even exponents. Suppose any number here, rational number -1 raised to power 2, okay? Here power is positive. Power is positive. It will be in plus. Answer will be in plus. Answer will be a positive number. A positive number. When any negative number raised to power 2 or any even number 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 8 raised to power 10, if negative base is there, then answer will be positive. Answer will be positive. If same number, suppose I think and power is 5 is odd number. If any negative base is there and power is an odd number, the answer will be a negative number. Answer will be a negative number. Answer will be a negative number. As soon as you look at the number, if it is negative, base is negative and power is an odd, then the answer will be in minus. The answer will be minus. When base is negative, power is even, the answer will be a positive number. In this way, we find how to write the numbers in exponential form. Suppose here, if 7, suppose you are given here question like this. Write in exponent form. Write in exponential form. Exponential form. 2 is written 3 times, 4 is written, 5 is written 3 times. Now, how it will be written? 2 is written 3 times, 2 raised to power 3. Then 5 base, what is the number? 5 here. It is written how many multiplied by? Multiplied thrice. So power will be 3. It will be written like this. This is called the exponential form. Then other questions of your exercise is 5.1. Simplify. Simplify. Let's take one of the number here. How to simplify? Here simplify. One of the expression is given to you. Simplify a raised to power 5 into 1/16 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 4. Okay, we will expand. 8 is written how many times? 5 times. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 1/16 completely power is 3. It will be written thrice. 3 times. 2 will be written how many times? 2 times. 2 is written how many? Power is 4. It will be written as 4 times. It will be written as 4 times. 2 will be written 4 times. Okay. 2 raised to power 4. 2 will be written 4 times. Now, you can simplify here. Let's take highest common factor 2. 8 is 16. Simplify with it. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Then simplify with it. 8 1 is 8. 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 Okay. Then you are left with 8 into 8. You are left with 8 into 8. 8 into 8 into 2 into 2. 8 8 ja 64. 64 2 ja 128. Okay. In this way, you will find how to solve this. You will simplify the given question here when it is in the exponential form. Just expand the exponential form and simplify. Try to simplify with the highest common factor and get the answer. You will try exercise 5.5 of your book. Thank you.